everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kenny and today I will be showing you a sexy beginner routine. Okay, so you can grab your favorite pair of heels or you can be barefoot if you're just practicing, that's fine. You're going to start standing in front of your pole, you're going to face the pole. Okay, both thumbs up, feet are together. From there, you're just going to gently step it out to the side and step out to the side. Okay, so your feet should be a little bit more than a hip width apart, wherever is comfortable for you. Okay, you're just going to gently roll out the head, reaching all corners of the room. Take your time. Just nice one soft head roll. From there, you're going to take that roll into the hips. So if you want, you can bend the knees slightly and then circle the hips, going from one corner of the room into the next, and straighten. Left leg, you're going to bend. Right leg, you're going to slide on your platform together. You're going to bring your hands up gently, look back, maybe rub out the booty, and then walk, 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 walk. From here, top hand is grabbing the pole. You're going to pull yourself in, turn away from the pole. Make sure you're still grabbing, and passe that left leg. If you want more, maybe add a little arch. Again, using that hand to accentuate the movements. And then stepping it out, left, stepping it out, right. This is why it's important to lean against the pole. You need an anchor or support so you don't just slide straight down or you don't feel like you're falling straight down, okay? So from here, step out as far as you can. Make sure you're leaning against the pole. If you want to bring your head back slightly, look up towards the ceiling. And then bend the knees, bring the hips low, sit all the way down, sit, 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 sit. Whoo. And release the legs to move forward. And extending the legs for a nice V shape. And breathe. Then close your legs. Maybe if you want to cross, add a little style. Bring it up, trace, look, 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 onto your tummy, kick, kick, smile. If you want to look down, maybe be a little bit flirty. And then step. As you step, you're sliding on your platform, if you have on heels, and leaning. Grab the pole, sliding on your other platform, and straightening the legs, arching it up, and finish.
tout dépensé, on n'a plus d'argent.